Here's my review on the Amazon Basics toaster. So let's get right into it. Put a couple slices in there and hit the slider down to start toasting. Now with this toaster, it's a black and silver stainless steel on the front. 2-slice toaster for toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. 6 shade settings. So it's on 1.5 right now, which I found to be a pretty good setting. All the way to 6. You just turn this dial right here. So we'll leave it right there. You've also got a frozen button as well as a bagel setting too. 5¼ inches long by 1¼ inches wide is what the size of the toaster is. And then extra lift safety lever right here. You also have a cancel button in case you want to be done with the toasting, but we can already see it working here. And then the buttons illuminate. This will probably illuminate if I hit frozen. Well, maybe not. You got to hit that before you hit the down buttoned slider. But a very good toaster, just simple and basic. Makes toast exactly how you want it. You've got these settings again, like I said, and so this should be done any second here with what the setting is it's on right now, and we'll see how these turn out. Almost done, almost done. Looking, there we go. Okay, so there we go, perfect browned toast. And if you want a little bit more, you're just going to turn that knob up a little bit more to get a little bit browner, and you may need it on a higher setting if it's a frozen bagel or something like that. But very good toaster to have, great to add to your pantry or wherever you're going to make toast, and anyway, highly recommend.